guys, Justin here. I've been a wedding videographer for the last 10 years, filming and editing over 300 weddings. And in that time, I've learned what it actually takes to stand out. Today, I'm giving you my top 7 tips that will instantly make your films more cinematic and immersive. They've made a huge difference for me, and I know they'll do the same for you. All right, let's get right into it. Tip number 1, get variety in your shots. If your entire video is shot at the same focal length, it's gonna feel boring. You need a mix of wide, medium, close-ups, and ultra close-ups. Wide shots between 14 and 24 millimeters set the scene and capture full atmosphere. Medium shots between 35 and 50 millimeters are great for reactions and first looks. Tight shots above 50 millimeters capture raw motion, teary eyes, and subtle smiles. Ultra close-ups like macro shots focus on little details like rings, bouquets, and textures. Get creative with your angles. A low angle reveal or spinning shot can pull the viewer right into the moment. Tip number 2, go handheld for more energy. Gimbal shots are great, but not everything needs to be buttery smooth. Some moments feel more real, raw, and exciting when shot handheld. During dance floor shots, go handheld. It adds energy and movement, making the viewer feel like they're right there. Try mixing gimbal and handheld shots to break the predictability of your film. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like. It would mean a lot to me. Tip 3, use manual focus for more impact. Autofocus is great, but sometimes you need that cinematic pull focus where shot starts blurry and then locks into your subject. Manual focus is perfect for emotional bride and groom moments, slow reveals, and scenes where you want to guide the viewer's eye. Tip 4, add depth to your shots. A flat image is boring. To make your shots feel more immersive, always think of foreground, midground, and background. Frame subjects behind objects like flowers, decor, and guests. And use doorways and windows for more natural framing. Layer your shots so it doesn't feel like everything's on a single plane. Even something as simple as shooting over someone's shoulder makes your viewer feel like they're in the room. Tip 5, keep it clean and timeless. Trendy transitions and heavy color grading might look cool today, but it will date your video in a few years. Keeping your edits clean and minimal will help your film stand the test of time. Avoid overusing LUTs that make skin tones look unnatural. Stick to classic balanced color grading. Focus on storytelling over flashy effects. The biggest reason I don't follow this approach is I don't want couples to look back at their video in 20 years and say, remember when that trendy editing style was a thing? Not so much anymore. Tip 6, capture real voices. Music is great, but voices tell the story. The vows, the toast, even a simple laugh, it all adds depth. To do this well, mic the groom and officiant with a lavalier microphone or recorder. Even one good line of dialogue can elevate the entire film. Finally, tip 7, the power of the right music choice. The song you choose dictates the entire vibe of the film. Epic cinematic scores work well for timeless and emotional moments. Indie acoustics give a light and romantic feel. Upbeat modern tracks keep the reception and dancing high energy. If your couple wants a song they can't legally use, guide them to stock music options that match their tone. Music makes or breaks a wedding video. And there you have it, 7 proven tips to make your wedding films stand out. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and like this video, because I have more deep dives coming in the future. Which of these tips are your favorite? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.